In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Fusion on your first day in the Fusion page of Davinci Resolve. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, getting to grips with Fusion will expand your capabilities and open up new possibilities in video creation. Fusion is the compositing hub of Davinci Resolve, packed with powerful tools and features that can transform your projects. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Davinci Resolve. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the Blackmagic Design website. Once you have Davinci Resolve open, you'll see a list of projects you've been working on. Click on any project where you want to start working with the Fusion page. It's completely fine if this is a new project. Fusion works effectively on both new and existing edits. Once your project is open, locate the Fusion page along the bottom of your screen. It's represented by a dual ring icon that resembles a small atom model. Clicking on it will bring you right into the Fusion workspace where the magic truly begins. This interface might look different compared to what you've seen in other editing zones, but don't worry. Taking it step by step will help you appreciate its powerful features. Next, you're ready to add your first node. Nodes are the building blocks of Fusion, representing various elements and effects. Start by adding a text node to your composition. You can drag it directly from the tool panel into the node editor. Don't feel overwhelmed, because working with nodes is much like piecing together a puzzle to create beautiful results. Once your text node is in place, click on it to reveal its options. Here you'll find an option to add text plus. This option not only allows regular text input, but provides more advanced typographic settings and features. Selecting this will give you flexibility in customizing your text, from fonts to colors, all within the inspector panel on the right. Play around with these options to find what suits your project best. Remember, experimenting is key, so feel free to unleash your creativity. Finally, go ahead and customize your text according to your vision. This might include changing the font style, adjusting the size, or applying effects to enhance visibility and appeal. The toolset available allows a significant degree of modification, so explore these settings to learn their effects on your project. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with these basic steps will lay a solid foundation for advanced operations in Fusion. As you become more comfortable, continue to explore Fusion's features and see how they can help you achieve stunning composites. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this introduction has been helpful in getting you started on Fusion. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be creating professional grade work with ease. Happy editing.